Daikin. Everything you ever wanted in air conditioning. Temperature, space, climate, features, 2 system specialities. Daikin, a true leader in the air conditioning industry, offers cooling and heating solutions for a wide range of needs across the globe. Temperature, from low to high. Daikin's air conditioning is capable of producing almost any temperature, including freezer for preserving freshness and quality, brewing for beer breweries, stable operations for server rooms, comfort for offices, hot water supply for households, space from household to a whole district. Daikin's air conditioning can handle any space, anywhere, from 10 square meter households to 3,000 square meter hospitals, 20,000 square meter factories, 150,000 square meter stadiums, 300,000 square meter skyscrapers, and even to entire districts. Climate, from sizzling hot to freezing cold. Daikin's air conditioning works in the most extreme climates. It can provide cool environments in sizzling hot conditions and provide warm environments in freezing cold conditions. Features, from comfort to convenience. Daikin's air conditioning can not only control temperature, but is packed with features such as humidification and dehumidification, airflow, air purification, human detecting, automatic filter cleaning, and remote monitoring. Two systems, ducted and ductless. Daikin's air conditioning is capable of delivering both ducted and ductless systems. Ducted systems are centralized air conditioning systems that deliver comfort equally to all zones at once. Ductless systems are individual air conditioning systems that deliver comfort to individual zones. Daikin is the only company in the world that specializes in manufacturing and sales, refrigerants, and after-sales service. As the industry leader, we will continue creating new value by anticipating the future needs of customers.